Can you change your currency on Phantom Wallet? Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, we're going to see if it is possible for you to change your currency on the Phantom Wallet. If you cannot find the option to change the currency on the Phantom Wallet, let's clarify how it works. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Phantom app, and as you guys know, by default Phantom displays your currency in USD. Phantom currently does not have a built-in option to change the displayed currency like some other wallets. Instead, it automatically displays the token value in USD. Unfortunately, if you're looking to see the balances in other fiat currencies like EUR or GBP, then this feature is not available yet. But here is a workaround that you can use. You can use third-party tools or website to convert your crypto balance into your preferred currency. So for example, if you head over to sites like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you can just input the value of your currency that you see on your screen right here. And then among your token amount, just select your desired fiat currency and convert it according to your need. Additionally, if you want the Phantom to support multiple currencies display is in the future, consider reaching out to the support team or leaving a feedback. For that, you just head over to your account right here, tap on the settings menu, and then scroll down until you find help and support. Just tap on it, and from here you can just submit a report. You can just tap on chat, and here you can try to chat with their AI bot and give them recommendations that you want Phantom to support multiple currencies display in the future. And once that is done, Phantom will most probably add that feature because most of the users are also asking for the same feature. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next